Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so
morning, my loves. Welcome to another day of Vlogtober. Let's do our morning breakdown on what's going to be happening today. So today is delivery day. The girls' beds are getting delivered in their nightstand. I told y'all previously that the dresser's on back order, so that's not going to get delivered into November. And then our living room sectional, recliner sectional, is getting delivered today. I need to clear out the living room. Y'all see that? We got boxes. I believe that's a mirror right there. It's just like little stuff that I need to go ahead and clear out. I did pick up a mop last week, so I'm going to go ahead and give the floor over there like a good old mop before they come in and bring the couch. And I feel like once they bring the couch in, I'll be able to figure out what like coffee table I want to do in the middle. Like if I want to go with a dark brown, if I want to do like a black, or if I want to do glass. I don't know. I want to see it in the space first, and I think that it helped me decide what kind of rug I want to do as well. So on the agenda today, we got to do all of that. And then also I have to go to the P.O. box because yesterday I didn't have one of my non-photo forms ID, so we got to do that. Also need to go pick up another mattress. Sean is gonna go get the box springs for the girls' beds, and if the box springs make the beds too high, we're gonna put those box springs on our bed because we need some more, because I can't take our bed. It's too low. It's too low to the floor. So gotta do that. And if their bed is too high with the box springs, we're just gonna get some bunky boards, because when I went in rooms to go, they had bunky boards under the bed, on the bed that they're getting, but the mattress was 13 inches and their mattress is 9 inches. So I don't know, it just depends on how it looks with that. Oh, if you watched yesterday's vlog, which was yesterday when we went to the mall looking for some shoes for Skylar. First of all, we couldn't find any like black shoes that, you know, look good. I really like the ones that she had, but they just hurt her feet. And then I was gonna get her another pair of the ones I've been getting ever since she was like an infant. Like anytime she grew out of them, I would get another pair of them. But I was like, you know what, we're gonna switch it up and get something different. So we got these New Balance, and I actually want these for myself in like the tan color or the gray color. I thought these were super cute. I think I showed y'all in the store, but we ended up going with these. They are so cute. And I feel like these still will match a lot of stuff. They were comfortable. We did all the testing in the store. She tested it out, see if she can run in it, jump in it, flip in it, all of that. So these should be good. I used the toaster this morning for the first time, and it was good. It did what toasters do. It toasted that bread. The toaster that we got is all stainless steel. I thought it would match the appliances that are already in the kitchen. So, and I love the fact that it's, you know, I could do 4 pieces of toast at one time. We are going to take this vacuum out, see what that do, and all of that. But let's go ahead and get into some cleaning. Baby, you ready for breakfast?
protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as
One thing I will say, so far I haven't opened up, it's 2 TVs that I haven't opened up, but we have not had anything that was broken, so that's a plus.
I could, like I know I should, like I know I could, like I know I could, like I could, if you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me.
Alright, y'all, getting ready to mop this floor. Here is the mop that I picked up. Got it from Target. I'll link it down below. Trying to do better with links, so definitely check the description box. I'll have it linked from water boiling because don't you supposed to use warm water? Like, I don't know. Let me Google it. Okay, so yeah, I was right. So I got some water on like boiling right now because it said use warm or hot water. And that's what we gonna do. I'm gonna put a little dish detergent and maybe a little Lysol. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's get this little concoction together. Super easy. Everything is basically put together. And to extend this to make it longer, hold on. Is this the longest that it goes? Can't be. Cause baby, this ain't nothing. Oh, okay, I'm like, hold up. I mean, it's good for me, but if Sean mopping, he gonna be hunched over. All right, okay, so this is good. All right, let's figure out which side the water goes on. All right, so here we go. One side has, is gonna be where the clean water goes. One side is gonna have the dirty water. Here's like the foot stomper thing right here where you know, stomp your foot on, and this part in here like spins to squeeze the water out. Boom. I'll put a little bit of this Mr. Clean. I love this scent. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to press some shirts so I can drop them off at the post office. So the couches got delivered and I don't know how I feel about, like, I love the couch. I just don't know how I feel about them in this space. Let me just show you one thing that I'm kind of like, ugh. So right here, you see how it sticks out from the wall? I feel like it need to be flush to the wall, and we could have it more flush to the wall. However, it would make this space over here a little tighter because we have put this, first we have put this over here and took one of these big seats out and put it over here, which made it longer. But yeah, I don't know. And then I'm looking at this and our dining room. Don't mind all that stuff over there. I've been keeping this right here when the girls eat so they don't mess up the chairs before I scotch guard it. I guess it's fine because my whole thing, I wasn't going to get this because it's gray and it's cool tone and my dining room is more warm tone, but I was talking there. But I'm pretty sure, you know, once I start decorating a little more, it's gonna all come together. Okay, but we'll figure it out. We're gonna get it figured out. Now I'm excited to go look for some rugs and maybe like a coffee table. I don't even know if I'm gonna put a coffee table right here, honestly. The more that I look at it, the more it's grown on me and the more I'm like, okay, it doesn't look bad at all. I think I was just overthinking it in the beginning when it first came in here, when it first got in here, and I was just looking at everything together. I'm like, I don't know how it's gonna look, but honestly, now just looking at it, I'm like, okay, it looks fine. Here, baby, let's go. All right, so I gotta go to the post office, drop off some packages. Oh, before we leave, I gotta show y'all the girls' beds they got delivered. They are so pretty. I absolutely love them. Oh. Goodness gracious. All right, so here's what their beds look like. So pretty. Like I said earlier, their dresser is not gonna get delivered until November, but you just touch right here. Uh-oh. And the LED lights come on. So I thought that was cool. Love these beds. And the way that these beds are made, you can adjust them whether or not we're gonna do bucky. Well, we got the what is it, the box springs, so they did them low. But if we get bunky boards, we can do it higher. For now, we're gonna use the box springs, but I may see if I can find some bunky boards on Facebook Market, because I just messaged someone, she got some that are new, and I may get them bunky boards and use the 2 twin size box springs that I just got for their beds and put it in our room. So that's what I'm trying to decide. Now I need to look at my bed and see if we can adjust ours like that to make it higher. No, it doesn't do that. Let's roll it out. Roll it out. Just left the post office, finally got the P.O. box. I'll put it on the screen, also in the description box below. A few of you guys been asking, like, am I gonna do a home registry? Not sure yet, because it's not me asking for y'all to, you know, get us anything. It's only because a few of you guys like have asked me, because when I had summer, I did a baby registry and you guys like blessed us tremendously. So yeah, I may do a home registry, or if you want to just send like a gift card or something to the P.O. box. Again, not me asking if it's on your heart, and I'm just doing it because a few of you guys already asked. I will put the P.O. box in the description box. Okay? Oh, I think I'm gonna get me a milkshake from Cookouts and maybe a barbecue sandwich or something. I'm not too hungry. I just ate the leftovers from last night when we went to Juicy Crab. So it was just only one cluster of crab. So I just ate that. I feel like going to Bojangles as well and get some chicken. Just got me a milkshake from Cookout, Oreo milkshake, cookies and cream. So good. At Bojangles, getting some chicken. Someone wants chicken. Hi, can I get a number 14 2-piece wing dinner, dirty rice and fry? And then I'll add a drink, sweet tea light ice. Oh my god, these fries are so good. What's up, y'all? Back home from Walmart, and I got the mattress. So let me tell y'all what we're gonna do. Instead of so here's what the bed looks like, right? With the mattress, I think this is a good height. However, we're gonna just go to Lowe's and get them to cut a piece of plywood to put under here. Yeah, instead of getting like bunky boards, it's a cheaper alternative. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this mattress up. So this is the mattress that we got right here. Comes in a box, and this one came from Walmart. I just feel like all of a sudden, like after I picked Tyler up from school and I went into Walmart, my allergies have been messing up ever since then. Yeah, I'm getting ready to let this mattress up so it can be going up while we are gone. And we put the box springs that we got for the girls' room, we're gonna use them for our bed instead, but I think this is a little too high. So what I'm gonna do is, let me tell y'all, I think this is a bit too high. So I'm going to return this one, and I can return it to Amazon, and I'm going to get one that's about 5 inches because that's 9 inches. So I'm trying to decide between 4 inches and 5 inches because I want it a little higher than it was, but this is just entirely too high to me, especially if I'm gonna have like some big pillows up here. It's just gonna be too much, I think. So that's the plan for in here. It's 77 and a half. It is 77 and a half. 77 and a half by 39 and a half. 77 and a half by 39 and a half. Oh, I would have been good with a mattress from there at Walmart. We got yours underneath. Bruh?
Yeah, schoolhouse. I like using it.
Up, y'all. So, I think the last time I talked to y'all, we was at Walmart. So I got the mattress. I think I showed y'all. Oh, I showed y'all when I was, when I put the mattress up. So, we went to Lowe's. We got some, like, what was it? Plywood to go underneath. So that did the job. I got a visitor. Y'all love her dad. This is my Uncle Carl's daughter. Y'all know Kamaya. Y'all seen her. Haven't seen her in a while, but
Yeah.
she has a YouTube channel. Plug yourself.
Life is Maya. Stop laughing at me.
But we went to Target. I found some comforters. Roger's scooter in here. I don't know about that. Cause I don't want you to scuff the walls up. Okay. You can turn your TV on, but we found some comforters. I'm gonna try them on the bed. I think this is gonna look really, really nice. Only because like their beds light up with like the LED lights and it's kind of like purple. Yeah, let me show y'all. These right here. We're gonna try these on the bed and see what they look like. I did end up finding some Scotch Guard in Target. So this is what I was looking for. I got some Scotch Guard for the rug, and I got that from Amazon. So that should be here Sunday. So yeah. Oh, I also picked this up from Amazon. It came in the mail. I'm gonna show y'all later. What's up, y'all? It is 12:43 at night. My cousin just left probably like 30 minutes ago. We literally talked and laughed. What time she get? She met me at Lowe's. We went to Target. We found bedroom outfits, like the comforters for the girls. I'll show y'all that in the morning, which will be in the next vlog since we're doing Vlogtober. So y'all will see that in the next vlog because I don't feel like going up there and the girls are asleep in their bed. So I don't want to bother them. And then everything I got from Amazon, I'll show y'all tomorrow in the next vlog. Also, I got that right there for the cabinet for the seasonings. And that is pretty much it. I will see you guys tomorrow in another day of Vlogtober. I'm ready to end this vlog because I am up here. I feel like I done caught a cold or something. My eyes just keep running. I'm actually getting ready to take me some medicine. Like some NyQuil or something because my eyes keep running, nose keep running. I feel like I gotta sneeze, but I can't sneeze. I'm looking crazy right now, so yeah. We're about to cut this vlog off, and I will see y'all tomorrow in another day of Vlogtober. So thank y'all so much for kicking it with me today. Peace.